Hi everyone! If you would like to paint your own pillow cover, then this tutorial is for you. And if you don't, then follow the link below to buy a ready one. With a soft pastel, outline the design you would like to paint. Use the paint for fabric, 2 synthetic brushes, 3D fabric paint for outlines. After you are done with painting, let it dry, then use medium hot iron. Use iron for a few minutes to fix the paint from the back side. Then use sewing machine to put parts together. And use your beautiful pillows for indoor or outdoor decor. Ready pillows are available from our store. You will find a link below in description. If you would like to commission one, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.